Welcome back to another tutorial for the Invincible VS game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable cross-platform play within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Invincible VS game on your device. And after you are taken into the main menu, go ahead and click on Settings. Within the Settings menu, you can click on the Game option at the left side. And now you will see the crossplay option at the beginning. By default, this is set to on. If you wish to turn this off, you can use the left or right arrows to set this to your desired option. Once you are done, click on the Save and Close button or press 2 on your keyboard. This will save and then close, taking you back to the main menu. After this, you can continue to play your game and you will be able to play with your chosen cross-platform play settings. And if you wish to change this in the future, just follow the same steps. Go back into Settings and then from the Game tab, you can choose your desired setting once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable cross-platform play on the Invincible VS game. If you find this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.